In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get dark mode in Klaviyo. In order to get the dark mode, you first need to head over to klaviyo.com and sign up for an account by clicking onto this email address right here and entering the email address that you wish to use. Now, if you already have one, just proceed to click on this login option. In my case, I already have an account, so let me head over and then just log in. Now, here is my actual dashboard. So, to enable dark mode in Klaviyo, users must adjust their device system settings. So, as of right now, my system settings for my actual browser is actually light mode. So, you can proceed to actually adjust that right here into your browser right there. Just proceed to search right here for dark mode. And then make sure to enable that right here in order to turn this on for applications. However, if you want to ensure that your emails render correctly in dark mode, you can use explicit text color codes. So for example, let's head over right here into our actual contents that we have. Let's head over right here to our emails. And then you should be able to notice right here that onto our actual emails, we only have this light mode option. So if you want to make it dark mode, you just head over and edit this if you would want. So here is our actual template. So head over to the styles, and in here you can see the content background. As of right now, it's set to actually be white. So click on this color right here and then set it to black. You can just input the hex code of 0000. And after that, head over and then save this progress that you have made in order to reflect the dark mode on your emails as well as your Klaviyo application. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out to get dark mode on Klaviyo.